The key to profitable scalping is being able to spot a move before it happens. Just like this long I'm in right now. I spotted it before it happened from the exact bottom. The reason most scalpers lose money, the reason most people lose money scalping is because they chase price. They wait to see the beginning of the move before they hop in. And most of the time, not all, but most, the move is already over by the time you see it. So I'm going to be walking you through a strategy that I used to take all the trades that you see right here on the chart. Every single circle is a scalp trade that you could take using this strategy, spotting the pivot before it happens. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest trading strategies here on YouTube. So what are you going to need for this strategy? This is a 5-minute time frame scalping strategy. You're going to put on a chart on a 5-minute time frame, and the indicator I'm using for this is Market Cipher B. Okay, now what I do is when I open up Market Cipher, it's going to look like this, Market Cipher B. I actually split it up into two individual Market Cipher Bs that I put on my chart, and one of them I'm only using the money flow, and the other one I'm only using the momentum wave. So in order to do that, you're going to open up two Market Ciphers, you're going to click the gear button, and you're going to uncheck everything on one of them except for the light blue wave and the blue wave. Open up another one and uncheck everything except the money flow. All right, that's what you're looking at right here. And the way this strategy works is in order to take a long trade, we are going to look for a bullish divergence with momentum and money flow. And in order to take a short trade, we're going to look for a bearish divergence with momentum and money flow. That's it. Let's go over the entry. Then we're going to go over the stop loss and the take profit. I think you're really going to enjoy this strategy. So what is a long trigger? For us, we want to see price making a lower low, and we want to see the money flow and the momentum waves both making a higher low. This is called a bullish divergence. Okay, we want to wait until both the money flow and the momentum waves are doing the opposite of the price. And you can see right here in all this area, we don't get that trigger until we come down to the exact low. Now notice this is a range that we have been trading all weekend, and you can see there's literally no volatility here, right? If we zoom out, this looks like absolute garbage, right? Look at this range that we've been trading pretty much all weekend, right? Pretty much no volatility here. Yet using this strategy, we pretty much catch the bottom of a massive pump to the upside. The only massive pump that we got pretty much all weekend happened with this confirmation. Okay, now let's go to that next short trade that we could have taken from right up here. And actually, I did take that short trade, which is obviously now closed because we had pumped much higher than that. But again, right up here, we can see that as we come up to this high right here, we can see that the momentum waves and the money flow are getting lower as the price is getting higher. Let's make sure we can see this clearly. As the price continues to get higher, the momentum waves are getting lower, right? We can see from here to the high that we put in, the momentum waves are getting lower. And also we can see that the money flow is also getting lower. Now, a few things you've probably already noticed. The momentum and the money flow do not have to be in sync with each other. In other words, we don't have to see the divergence on the money flow and the momentum waves line up perfectly, right? As you can see right here, I'm pulling the momentum divergence from way back here, and I'm only pulling the money flow divergence from right here. That is perfectly acceptable. That is perfectly acceptable. It is still a valid setup. Something else I want to point out is a very, very juicy, beautiful confirmation is when the money flow crosses that zero line, as it can be seen right here. If we're looking for a short, and in the meantime, as the price is getting higher, the money flow crosses from blue into purple, very powerful signal to short, and vice versa. If we're looking for a long and the money flow crosses from the purple into the blue, that is a very powerful signal to take a long trade. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at the few other trades that we could have taken here. We're going to zoom out again. So we pretty much longed it from the exact bottom. We shorted it from a top that was a very significant drop, right? So two very profitable trades in this small range. And then also within the small range, we could have taken another short from right up here. And this one, very, very clearly, momentum waves are getting lower. The money flow is getting lower as we come up to this high. And then this long right down here, also very clear that the money flow is getting higher as the price is getting lower. Look at this. Wow, very, very beautiful. And these momentum waves are clearly getting higher as we put in that low. So 4 very, very profitable trades, pretty much catching the biggest moves of the range using this strategy. You can go back and backtest this. Pretty much, go back and backtest this for yourself because it's a very profitable trading signal. Okay. Now, if you want to take advantage of 0% limit fees on ByBit so that you can scalp low time frames like this without letting the fees cut into your profits, check out the affiliate link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you deposit $100, you also get a month free of our trading bot that will trade for you. Now, 0% limit fees can help a lot when you are trading on these low time frames because those fees can cut into your profits. Also, guys, if you want to join a thriving trading community where every single day we give our trade setups, like this beautiful short that we gave from the exact high, we give our scalp trades, our day trades, our swing trades. Every single day we do 3 live streams walking through the live price action, giving non-financial advice, talking about trade setups, walking through the price action. It's a great community. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to learn how to trade and do this right, check out the course, jasoncaspertrading.com, for a 20% discount. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you're very blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.